Welcome to our in-depth review of the Mazda AXELA 2.0-liter petrol. In this video, we take a closer look at the features, performance, and overall driving experience of this popular sedan. The word Mazda is derived from the name of the company's founder, Jujiro Matsuda. AXELA, on the other hand, is a combination of two words, accelerate and excellent. The name reflects Mazda's dedication to creating cars that not only look sleek and stylish but also deliver a powerful driving experience. From its sleek design to its powerful engine, we cover everything you need to know about the Mazda AXELA 2.0L Petrol. If you're in the market for a reliable and stylish car, the Mazda AXELA Petrol might just be the perfect choice for you. This sleek and stylish sedan packs a punch with its powerful 2.0-liter engine. The Mazda AXELA offers a smooth and responsive driving experience perfect for both city commutes and long highway drives. Inside, you'll find a comfortable and spacious interior with high-quality materials and a modern design. The advanced technology features, such as a touchscreen infotainment system and driver assist functions, make every ride enjoyable and safe. With its fuel-efficient engine, the Mazda AXELA 2.0L Petrol is not only fun to drive but also easy on your wallet. Overall, the Mazda AXELA is a top choice for those looking for a reliable, stylish, and performance-oriented sedan. One of the key safety features of the Mazda AXELA is its advanced airbag system. In the event of a collision, the airbags are strategically placed throughout the vehicle to minimize the impact on the driver and passengers, reducing the risk of injury. The vehicle also comes equipped with advanced driver assist technologies, such as lane departure warning and blind spot monitoring. These features help to prevent accidents before they happen, giving you an extra layer of protection on the road. With its smooth handling and comfortable interior, this car is sure to impress even the most discerning drivers. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car reviews and updates.